What is going on, guys? So in this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys exactly why I believe the DOGs airdrop right now, the DOGs airdrop is going to be listing in at least 2 weeks time, right? I'm going to be giving you guys exact dates as well, and as to why I actually came to that conclusion. And of course, Notcoin, right? Notcoin, the first tap to end game, the one that actually brought about all these other different tap to end games right here, is actually also giving us a sign as well. And I'm going to be exposing all that in this particular video right now. So very quickly, let's just get straight into the video. But first of all, if you like this video at the end, please do not forget to leave me a like, because that's how my channel gets discovered. That's how it shows that you like content like this. Subscribe as well, turn on the bell notification. This is how you grow a channel, right? So with all of that done, thank you guys so much. Let's just get straight into my phone screen so I can show you guys exactly what I mean and step by step explain everything from beginning to the end. So guys, if you come over here to Notcoin's official community with over 12.5 million subscribers, you can see the 1st of August, right? August is already, you can see that it's already giving us signs over here. The 1st of August, it says it is coming, then with this dog bone emoji right here, guys. Now if you guys don't know, this emoji right here is even a task on the DOGs airdrop right now. If I just search for dogs right now, if I search for it and I come over here, you're going to see that one of the tasks right there is the emoji. You can even see on their name the emoji there. So it's a very obvious reference, especially when if you've been like following the DOGs airdrop and all that stuff. You can see add this emoji to your Telegram name. It's a task right here. You get some dogs for yourself. So now that I've proved I actually proved that's an obvious reference over there. Now the next place I want to actually share with you guys, because I know that's not enough for you guys, so let's just go over to Twitter right now. Twitter, let's go over to X or Twitter, whatever. Now this is Notcoin's official Twitter page with 1.7 million followers right here, and the one person they are following, let's check. Okay, this is a different airdrop, lost dogs right there. So lost dogs right now is another airdrop of its own. I'm going to be making a video about that very soon, so stay tuned to that. But now let's just focus on the normal dogs airdrop that we know. If you go down here, you can see a reference again. You can see it here. They just reposted this particular screenshot and all that stuff. So if you go down right here, you're going to see something else. August is dog season. August is dog season, and it says, what a coincidence, what a coincidence, August is also the season for games and rewards in Notcoin. Save the dog, look who is back. Notcoin is giving us several signs right here that dogs is actually going to be bullish. Now if you're not satisfied with all this stuff, you're not satisfied, right? Let's say you are still skeptical, you don't know the particular date when dogs is going to actually be released and all that stuff, let's just go over to their own official telegram account right there. So let's just go over to dogs, so you can actually just search for them. You can see it's dogs community, real dogs house. This is the actual official page for the dogs airdrop right now. So you can see it's 2.1 million followers over here. If you come down, you're gonna see this particular place over here has this reference, right? But I want you to see something first before we actually come there. You can see right here, guys, that it says the 2 days streak daily right there. Now this one is actually referencing the the daily task. If you log in every single day, you're going to get paid. You can see in the background right here, guys, you can see the ton logo right here, meaning it's going to be paying us in ton. Of course it's actually a Telegram based project. It's actually something, a native meme coin to Telegram and other stuff. We're going to see something in the corner right here. 14th is actually circled, right? 14th. And of course some of you guys may be thinking maybe it's just nothing or whatever, but I'm going to prove to you guys that this is not a random number circled right here. And this is why I believe 14th of this month, August, is when they're going to be listing, or at least close to that particular page, to that particular date. But I truly do believe it to be 14th, right? So if you go back right now, if you come over here, you're going to see something. You're going to see that it says, did you know August 14th? Did you know August 14th is Telegram's birthday? We also have something for you to celebrate. Then he puts this particular dogs emoji again. Now this is just a telltale sign. This is just too obvious. Now, did you know that August 14th is Telegram's birthday? Okay, well, now we know. Thank you for telling us. Now it says we also have something special, something for you to celebrate. Right now, this is basically them saying it's Telegram's birthday, right? Like the anniversary of when Telegram was created. And then you see you can, if you read this card, it says 14 org, save the date. You can see it, that we should save the date 14th of August, this particular year. So in just how many days, if you can scroll down, you're gonna see that today is August 3rd, 2:42 a.m. I'm making this particular video. In just about 2 weeks, not up to 2 weeks, this particular airdrop is going to be dropping, right? Mark my words, in 14th of August this airdrop is going to be dropping, very, very likely, right guys? So if you've not yet like gotten into dogs already, I'd encourage you, use my link, use the link down below. If you don't know how it works, I've already made 2 videos on the dogs airdrop. Click on the link you can see above in the video right now, or you can use the links in the description box below, or just check the channel. You're going to see how to get started with dogs and other stuff. Use my link, get some additional points for yourself before the 14th of August, because this airdrop is going to really do well right there. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.